Hey there, future investors. Have you ever dreamt of financial freedom? Imagine waking up knowing that your money is working for you, even while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can master the stock market and start building your wealth today. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the why. Why should you invest in the stock market? Picture this. You're 65, lounging on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, without a care in the world. Sounds amazing, right? That's the power of investing. It's not just about growing your wealth, it's about securing your future. Now here's the kicker. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is your best friend in the stock market. So, why wait? Transitioning to the how. Investing might sound complicated, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. Step 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Read books, watch videos, and follow experts. Speaking of experts, did you know Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11? 11. If he can do it, so can you. Step 2. Start small. You don't need to be a millionaire to invest. Platforms like Robinhood and E*Trade let you start with just a few dollars. Think of it like planting a tree. You start with a tiny seed, water it, nurture it, and over time, it grows into a mighty oak. Now here's where it gets exciting. Step 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors. Tech, healthcare, energy. The options are endless. This way, if one sector takes a hit, others might still be thriving. It's like having a safety net for your money. But wait, there's more. Here's a curveball. Don't let fear hold you back. The stock market will have its ups and downs, it's a roller coaster ride. But here's a secret. The market has historically gone up in the long run. So stay the course, keep your cool, and remember, you're in this for the long haul. Finally, the when. When should you start investing? The answer is now. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The sooner you start, the better your chances of reaping the rewards. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Why invest? To secure your future. How to invest? Educate yourself, start small, diversify, and stay resilient. When to invest? Right now. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today. Your future self will thank you. Remember, the stock market isn't just for the wealthy, it's for those who dare to dream big and take action. Go out there and seize your financial future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Until next time, happy investing.